Now, if you're a landlord or a landlady, you own a property and you have tenants living in it, come closer. This video is for you. Now, you are in the real estate business for profit. You are not running a charity foundation. You are not running a non-governmental organization. You are in the business for profit and you earn rent. Now, I find that a lot of you are not so sure of when to evict a tenant, or you're always too emotional about evicting problematic tenants or tenants who have breached the contract. So I'm going to share with you 4 legal grounds on which you can evict a tenant with your full chest without feeling some way. Legal grounds to evict a tenant. Now, I'm a landlady here, and what do? I provide decent housing solutions and I help you grow your net worth through investing in safe and profitable real estate. Now, 4 legal grounds to evict a tenant. Now, number 1 legal ground is failure to pay rent. A tenant who cannot pay rent will drain your cash flow for as long as they stay occupying that property. So you can give a grace period for 3 months, or depending on the rules and regulations in your state, you give a grace period, and if at the end of that grace period the tenant is still unable to pay their rent, you can now proceed with an eviction notice. Number 2, lease violation. Now, when I say lease violation, it means that before they moved into your property, you must have served them a contract where you wrote down the list of rules and regulations that they must abide by as long as they stay in that property, and at some point they have breached the contract. Okay, and the most common violations here are unauthorized occupants or pets. So you can give corrections. You can always call them to order, and if they refuse to take corrections, at this point you can proceed to serve an eviction notice. Now, number 3, which is not even permissible, is crime or drug related activities. Now, housing a tenant who is involved in criminal activities can have you implicated, and even other innocent tenants stand to be implicated as well. So the moment you get a wind of information with evidence that a particular tenant is involved in criminal activities, begin eviction process immediately. Else, both you and other tenants stand to be called parties to the criminal activity. Now, number 4 is property damage. Now, before a tenant moves into your apartment, we always charge caution fee, right? But you and I know that sometimes the caution fee the tenant paid does not even equate the amount of damage done. So if the tenant, at some point damages a part of the property and chooses to repair, you can let that slide. But cases of constant property damage is unacceptable and can be a ground for eviction. Okay, so I hope you learned something in this very short video. If you got questions, do also ask me in the comment section, and do also subscribe as well so you get notified when I drop another video. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm Madam Landlady here, and what do I do for you? I provide decent housing solutions and I help you grow your net worth through investing in safe and profitable real estate. I'll see you in the next video.